Alright, so we got everything plugged in. It's time to turn it on. The sound of future. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Smells like brand new computer. The fan is obviously right here, so I'm getting that, that brand new smell.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh my god, it's already on. Okay. Wow, that was really quick. Migration Assistant. If you have information on another Mac or Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. Not now. I'm gonna sign into my Apple ID. Yeah, it's taken a while to set up the iCloud account. I mean, it's only been like a minute there, but still. Come on, M1. Just kidding. Oh, it's already done. Okay, fine. Choose your look. Dark. Oh yeah. Calendar, would you like to use your current location? Sure. Okay, so now we are brand new. I'm gonna download Final Cut Pro. Wait. It should already be on here. Hold up. Final Cut Pro. Let's go. Open. So I do have it. Launchpad. There you go. Alright, Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro. Where is it? Oh, I think. Oh, there you go. We're gonna customize compressor. I want to check that out. Motion. Logic Pro. That's nothing I'm probably gonna use. Let's open Final Cut Pro for the first time. What's new in Final Cut Pro? Improved performance and efficiency on Mac computers with Apple Silicon. Ah, yeah. There was problems with the 8GB memory Apple Mini, and it's been crashing for some people and audio problems. So I hope I have no problems. So there you go. That opened up pretty quick. I mean, it's pretty brand new there. Trying down Clash of Clans. What? I was told you were able to download. Okay, I guess not all apps are on here. Maybe we should plug in my hard drive. Alright, firing up that 10TB hard drive. Let's just bring in some videos for Final Cut Pro. Okay, I want to see how much room I have. Storage. Okay. So I have 894 gigabytes available. So there's 100 gigabytes used. Okay, well, if you have the 256 gigs Mac Mini storage, I mean, you're not gonna have that much space. But I do have Final Cut Pro compressor, motion, apps. I'm assuming those take more than others. But yeah, anyways. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a couple tests on these computers. So I got the M1 Mac with 16 gigabytes and 1TB drive, and I got my old 2014 8 gigs of memory and 1TB. So we're gonna just be doing a startup test, and then we'll be opening up programs whenever it starts up. So they started at the same time. 1 minute to load up the M1. Let's fire up Final Cut Pro, just because you can see how much time we're wasting, and yeah, like this is already good to go. Like it's already playable. And we can even go in the App Store, settings. Like we just did all this stuff already, and this is still taking forever to load. So 2 minutes and 30. Hey guys, so I've been using the Mac Mini for about a week now, and I gotta say, this computer is amazing. I love it. Worth every penny. I've spent a bit more than my last one, but I mean, with the M1 chip, everything's just quicker, and it's awesome. So that's all for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.